Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of cloud computing with a comprehensive step-by-step guide to launching a virtual machine on Google Cloud Platform, or GCP. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your cloud skills, this guide will help you get started quickly and efficiently. So let's jump right in. But first, what exactly is Google Cloud Platform, or GCP? Google Cloud Platform offers a suite of services that power modern businesses, from computing and storage to AI and analytics. At its core is the compute engine, which lets you create and manage virtual machines, perfect for hosting applications, running analytics, or building scalable environments. How to launch? To get started, you'll need a Google Cloud account. Visit cloud.google.com and sign up. If you're a new user, Google offers a free trial with $300 in credits. Google Cloud Platform offers several options. To get started, simply search for Compute Engine in the GCP search bar. Next, select the Create Instance option. Before proceeding, ensure that the Compute Engine API is enabled. In my case, it's not enabled, so I'm enabling it now. This takes a couple of minutes. After enabling the Compute Engine API, return to the previous option and select the Create Instance option. This is the machine configuration page. Start by providing a name for the virtual machine. Let's call it Test VM1. After providing the name, select the region and zone. There are various options available. In this example, I'm selecting South America Westonia as the region and choosing the default option for the zone, which is set to any. Next, we need to select the machine series. You can choose from various options available here. For this demo, I am selecting the E2 series. Depending on your requirements, you can choose accordingly. Keep in mind that the pricing varies for each series, which you can view in the right-hand section. Next, in the left section, you can select the operating system, OS, and storage. The OS is currently set to Debian, but you can change it to other options such as CentOS, Fedora, and more. For the networking section, you can add firewall rules here. I will leave the rest as default and select the Create option. Now, wait for a few seconds, and I already have 2 instances running. Now that our machine is ready, we can stop or suspend the VM from here. To SSH into the server, there are several options available. I'm choosing the Open in Browser window option, which will open another window. Please wait for a few seconds. Now authorize. And now we have successfully SSH into the server. And that's it, a step-by-step guide to launching virtual machine on Google Cloud Platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and we'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.